Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor 300 Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style right here and slide to open select wallpaper. And now you can either select one from official wallpapers, you can mark more and upload one from themes. Let me go back here. You can also select one from your own photos. Let me just go back and select wallpaper. As you can see here, you can open your gallery, some folders. You can also open the camera if you wish, but let me pick one from downloads. For example, this one. Now you can customize it however you like, and once selected, just go back and mark down. Wait a couple of seconds till it's applied, and as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.